Okay, let's see what pyramid is. Let's start with talking a little about three-dimensional world. You know that we live in three-dimensional world and everything can be located using three aspects: latitude, longitude, and altitude. But how many dimensions are there? In the 1919s, mathematicians working on string theories of physics discovered the likelihood of there being at least 10 dimensions in existence. And mathematicians have worked with any number of dimensional spaces, including infinite dimensional spaces. So, three dimensions are not so many. A pyramid is a 3D solid with a polygon base. The other faces are triangles that meet a point called the apex. A polyhedron is a 3D solid that has only plane faces. So, a pyramid is a polyhedron. The surface area is the total area of all the faces of a three-dimensional solid. And the volume of a three-dimensional solid is the amount of space it occupies. Let's see what we can name all the things of this pyramid. These are already mentioned faces. AED is one face, DEC is the second face, BEC is the third face, and AEB is the fourth face. But ABCD is named as base. This segment EO is named as vertical height, and this point is named apex, and this segment is named slant height. The slant height of a pyramid is the distance from the center of one edge of the base, and these are edges. These all EC, ED, AD are edges of the base to the apex of the pyramid. And let's explain the distance is the length of the perpendicular segment. The vertical height is the perpendicular distance from the apex to the base. This one is the vertical height. What kind of pyramids are there? We can put as base any of polygons. So there could be triangle-based pyramids. Their vertical height can be based at each of vertices of triangle and also in the middle of the triangle and also on a side of base, edge of base. Yeah. There are also quadrilateral based pyramids, square-based, rectangular-based, rhombus-based, parallelogram-based. And when we talk about pyramids with a square base, we can talk also about regular polygon pyramids. and those we can name that regular pyramids. And regular polygon is a polygon with equal sides or sides and equal interior angles. And when the regular polygon is as base, we can name this pyramid as regular if this vertical height based on the center of pyramid's base. There are some examples. For example, square is a regular polygon, but rectangle isn't. Equilateral triangle is regular polygon, but isosceles triangle isn't. The next what we have to find for a pyramid is the surface area of a pyramid. With an n-sided regular polygon base, it is surface area we can say as S, and area of base plus n with n multiplied with a these triangles, which are the faces of pyramid. So area of a face, one face is A, and surface area is whole area of whole pyramid. Some else words about pyramid. We named already slant height. In this picture it is EM, but yes, and we named also vertical height, but we haven't named sloping edge. This is sloping edge and this is base edge. And for example, ADC is face once more, and DC is side or edge. AM, as we mentioned before, is perpendicular the edge AD. Let's solve one task. Find surface area of the square-based pyramid if slant height is 8 centimeters and side of square is 7 centimeters. Side or edge of square is 7 centimeters. First, let's find the area of base. The base is square, so we can find area of square. It is 7 in square, so 49 square centimeters. And then we have to find 4 equal areas of faces. These faces are equal, so we can find using formula 1/2 of perimeter of base. We can sum these 7 centimeters 4 times. So we can use the multiplying 4 with 7, and EM, this is this slant height, and we can multiply with this slant height, and we can get 112 square centimeters. Then we have to sum 49 and 112, and we can get 161 square centimeters for surface area. we have to find also the volume of the given pyramid. And formula for volume is 1/3 of base area multiplied with vertical height. So vertical height in before seen by pyramid is EO. See this in another picture. It is perpendicular side of rectangular triangle. So we can use Pythagorean theorem for finding this vertical height, what we need for this, because area of base we have already. This length is, as we see, half of the side or edge of the base. So if the edge is base edge is 7 centimeters, so half of it is 3.5 centimeters. So we have found the vertical height. It is square root of 51.75, and after that we can put in place of area of base the 49 square centimeters and this square root. Let's approximate a little bit to find the solution of this task. And the result is 117.6 cube centimeters. Thank you for watching.